lost today. Here you are, changed the day. Don't you ask why the time moved too fast? Because this day is yours. Forget the past and thinking about the future. Stay awake, stay sober. Guess the joys and the craze drive to you. Happy birthday to you. I just wish the best for you. I know you for the now. The better, better, better. May Jesus always bless your way.
Happy birthday, Dorf! Kasama ko yung asawa mo, payagan mo daw siya sa February, may concert ako.
Yes! Yes na yes!
Dorf, happy 25th birthday, man. Wish you continued happiness with your family and music career. Ayun lang, mabuhay ka and stay safe.
Wishing you all the best. I'd like to thank you for all the support. And have a good one, buddy. See you soon.
Hi, Durf. Si Junjun to. Kamusta na? Gusto ko magpasalamat sa pinakita mong kabaitan sa akin nung nagpunta ako dyan. Pati na rin ang bait-bait mo pati sa mga kasama kong mga musicians. Sobrang thank you. And ang dami mo palang alam ng mga iba-ibang instruments and ang galing-galing mo pala. And we never had a hint na nagyabang ka sa amin about your talents. Na nabilib kami. Sobrang kaming nabilib. Stay humble and sobrang thank you. Ako magkita-kita tayo ulit. Sana masaya ka ngayong araw na to. Wish ko is you will be very happy today. God bless. Happy birthday!
Mula sa amin sa PUT, binabati ka namin, Durf. Napakagaling na musikero at higit sa lahat, napakagaling na tao, napakabait. Happy birthday, pare!
Happy birthday, Papa D!
Hi, Birdie! Happy birthday! I hope to meet you soon. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday!
Kuya Durf, happy birthday. Thank you for helping us. Alam nyo, napakatulungin ng tao yan. Kaya para sa'yo, sa itong araw na to, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, anak. Sana'y maging maligaya ka sa araw na to, sa inyong karawan. Love, love. I love you very much, my dearest son.
Hello Singapore. Kumusta kayo lahat dyan, mga loves? Andito, naiba yung aming view naman ngayon. Ito yung pinaghirapan nung my birthday, oh. Medyo hindi pa tapos gaano, eh. Pero okay na, eh. Maganda naman, eh. Muli, anak, happy birthday. Masasabi ko lang sa'yo. Ay, hindi na. Kasi lagi ko na lang wini-wish sa'yo yun, eh. Total, ngayon, 47 ka na pala. Alam mo na yun. Hindi ko na ulit-ulitin. Basta ingat na lang lagi. At salamat din sa'yo, nak. At nandiyan ka lagi na nandiyan ka lagi sa amin. Hindi mo rin kami pinabayaan ng tatay at na ata ko. At ganun din kay Mercy. Salamat din. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, mga anak. Muli, anak, happy birthday. Salamat din at masaya na rin ako na andyan, maganda ng buhay nyo. Ayos ang pamilya mo, masayang pamilya. At sa mga apo ko rin, mababait din, mga nag-aaral din ng maayos. Salamat nak. At bagamat malayo tayo sa isa't isa at miss ko na rin kayo, basta salamat sa Diyos at kahit papano hindi tayo pinabayaan. Kaya nak, lagi ingat. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Salamat sa lahat. Thank you.
Happy birthday. I love you very, very, very much.
Again, nak, happy birthday. Love you all.
Hi Kuya! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa nag-iisa naming kuya, sa kapatid na nagbibigay ng lakas ng loob sa mga panahong may mga pagsubok na dumadaan. Maraming salamat at biniyayaan ka muli ng isang panibagong taon na maging maligaya, successful sa lahat ng bagay, sa family, sa iyong mga anak, at sa iyong may bahay. Maraming salamat sa suporta, Kuya, and really truly blessed to have you in the family as the eldest in the family. And I personally thank you for the support and all the way support na binibigay mo sa akin at sa aking pamilya, sa aking mga anak. Maraming salamat. Dalangin ko na patuloy kang biyayaan ng Panginoon na magandang kalusugan. Yan yung number 1, yung health. And then the wealth will follow. And then all things will follow. Good things will follow. And thank you so much. And I'm so happy for another year. And happy birthday. Hope you enjoy your day with the family and your loved ones. And hope to see you soon. Bye, Kuya. I love you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Kuya Berts. Best wishes ulit sa birthday mo. Good health. Ingat lagi palagi. Yun lang. Happy birthday ulit. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Derf. Everybody likes and loves you, and please don't get sick or get hurt. And pray by yourself together with your family and other ones who love you. And happy birthday! 사랑해.